Yeah, hello everyone. This is T.S. Srinivas, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I'm going to discuss about the artificial intelligence. Uh, Artificial intelligence, this is the subject for IT students and EC students. So we are going to understand the first part in Unit 1. We have These are the index of the Unit 1. So Unit 1 consists of the following topics. One is the introduction to artificial intelligence. The next, what is artificial intelligence? What is the differences between artificial intelligence and natural intelligence? And elaborately, I'm going to discuss about the history of artificial intelligence. What are the various searching mechanisms that are present in artificial intelligence? In this artificial intelligence, we are going to understand different learning agents and intelligent agents. What is the role of the learning agent? One, what are the rules, what are the constraints, and what are the rules and regulations, and what are the proposition logics that are to be performed in this artificial intelligence. So we are having different searching mechanisms, like informed searching mechanism, uninformed searching mechanism, and finally we are going to understand the simulated annihilation. So in this we are having two types of algorithms. So we are going to discuss at length the different algorithms that are used in the searching process in artificial intelligence. So we'll understand first what is artificial intelligence. So why this artificial intelligence is in popular these days. So we know the natural intelligence, right? So the human brain is a natural intelligence. Best example is the human brain is the best example for natural intelligence. So in our human brains, we the knowledge based representation of the information we can process, we can analyze, we can realize, we can do the perception, and we can also do something called as the interconnection between the different layers. So the layers, the information which is stored in one layer will be transported to another layer, and again it will be transported to a perceptron layer where all your information is processed. So that is the natural intelligence. So our natural intelligence is performed by neurons. Okay. So in our brains, we are having in our brain, in a human brain, we are having many neurons. We are having billions and billions of neurons which are there. So that means we are having different perceptron layers, and each perceptron layer is going to process our information, is going to process our information, and by taking the inputs from the layer. So it is a natural process. But whereas in a artificial intelligence, artificial, the name artificial itself is nothing which is not natural. Artificial means which is not natural. So what is the, we are making a natural thing, we are making an artificial thing to, we are making an artificial thing to perform in the same way as the natural thing. So uh, our artificial intelligence, it is a branch of science which deals with machines, with deals with helping machines to find a solution to complex problems in a more human like fashion. So best example you can take for artificial intelligence is your Alexa and Sira in Google. So we are as if some person is sitting inside the computer and is asking you whenever you are giving any query, and that query is been processed by Alexa and Sira, and they are going to give you the response. So here it is a human based computer. So an artificial intelligence is a machine that deals with that is going to give you the solutions to many complex problems. So when it is going to give the solution to many complex problems, then it is going to have the characteristics of the human intelligence. So how these characteristics are going to be worked out in the brain, worked out in the uh, brain of the brain of the what you call it as brain of the robot, or which is called as the intelligent agent. So and robot is an intelligent agent, so robot is going to learn the things from the nature. Robot is going to learn the things from the nature. So nature means here it is not the natural thing, the nature is here. At each and every process we are going to have something called as the inputs. So all the inputs are being processed by this particular um intelligent agent. So it is going to fix some of the goals. It is going to fix some of the goals. It is going to fix the searching mechanisms. It is going to fix the uninformed searching mechanisms or uninformed searching mechanisms. So we are having different algorithms where this particular process is done. So at each and every state, it is going to fix some goals. So as per the goals, now the artificial, as per the goals, the intelligent agent is going to process. Agent is going to process your information. So here you can see in the PPTs, we are having an applying the algorithms in a computer friendly way. So when so computer friendly way we are going to apply the algorithm. That means we are going to have many algorithms. We are going to have many algorithms, and these algorithms are going to be applied in different ways. So whenever the robot is going to process your information, is going to process your information, that is it is going to search for some information which is present. So it is going to have some of the algorithms, like we have studied in BFS algorithm, DFS algorithm, greedy's best search algorithm. So all the algorithms it is going to have in its memory. So all the we are going to store the information, all the information we are going to store in the brain of the in the brain of the robot. That means it is a memory device, so it is a chip that is installed in. So all the process, all the algorithmic process has to be processed by some programming languages, and using that programming languages, this particular information which is there uh, in your request, so that information will be processed. So this is the artificial intelligence. Whereas natural intelligence, yes, we are going anyhow. We are writing a program for the artificial intelligence agent, like a robot, and that agent is going to write. We are going to write the program and store that instructions into the brain of the robot. So as per that instructions, it is going to process. So when you are writing the programs, we are having different searching mechanisms. We are having different searching mechanisms. We are having different propositional logics. That we are having different planning methodologies in this intelligent agent. So as per this methodologies, we are going to process that particular information, right? So best you can take Alex and Sira. So whenever any query is given to the Alex and Sira, and immediately it is going to respond to your request. So in this way, the information will be processed. In this way, the information will be processed whenever you are going to give any request, and that information will be processed, and you are going to get the result. So getting the result is very easy, but here you just understand how that information is being searched in the database, in the uh, database, how that information is going to retrieve. So who is doing all, so what is the planning involved here? So we are having a concept called as the multi-agent planning. So there are number of agents uh, that are used in the artificial intelligence. So an agent at the highest level is communicating with the agent at the lowest level. So lowest level means here we are having different searching mechanisms. We are having different trees. We are having different graphs. So the top level, the middle level, and the lower level. So in this order, the searching mechanism will be done. and through this searching mechanism, all the information that you are going to retrieve will be done by the intelligent agent like a robot. So here the knowledge based representation is the most important concept. So whatever you are going to represent, whatever query you are going to give to the robot, that query will be taken by the robot and that query will be processed. So we are having some propositional logical statements are there, and these logical statements are going to help us in processing the information. So, and it is going to search for that information. So your robot is a machine. An intelligent agent like robot is a machine which is going to behave in the same way as the human. Okay, so this is the introduction part of the artificial intelligence topic.